Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about a question that I get asked a lot. Do you need a bank account for Paysafe Card? I'm going to answer this question in detail, but first, I want to talk a little bit about what Paysafe Card is. Paysafe Card is a prepaid card that you can use to make online purchases. It's a great way to keep your financial information safe, and it's also a convenient way to pay for things online. How Paysafe Card works. So, how does Paysafe Card work? Well, it's pretty simple. You just go to the Paysafe Card website and purchase a card. You can choose from a variety of denominations. Once you have your card, you can use it to make online purchases just like you would use a credit card. Do you need a bank account to use Paysafe Card? Now, let's get to the question that you're all here for. Do you need a bank account to use Paysafe Card? The answer is no, you don't need a bank account to use Paysafe Card. You can simply purchase a card online and use it immediately. However, there are a few things to keep in mind if you don't have a bank account. You will need to provide a valid ID when you purchase a Paysafe Card. You will not be able to link your Paysafe Card to a bank account. This means that you will not be able to use it to set up automatic payments or recurring payments. You will not be able to get a refund for a Paysafe Card if you lose it or it is stolen. Benefits of using Paysafe Card without a bank account. There are a few benefits to using Paysafe Card without a bank account. First, it's a safe and secure way to make online purchases. Second, it's a convenient way to pay for things online. Third, it's a great way to keep your financial information private. Disadvantages of using Paysafe Card without a bank account. There are also a few disadvantages to using Paysafe Card without a bank account. First, you will not be able to link your Paysafe Card to a bank account. This means that you will not be able to use it to set up automatic payments or recurring payments. Second, you will not be able to get a refund for a Paysafe Card if you lose it or it is stolen. Alternatives to Paysafe Card. If you're looking for an alternative to Paysafe Card, there are a few other prepaid card options available. Here are a few of the most popular options. Visa Prepaid Card, MasterCard Prepaid Card, American Express Prepaid Card. These cards work similarly to Paysafe Card. You can purchase them online or at a retail store. So, do you need a bank account to use Paysafe Card? The answer is no, you don't. However, there are a few things to keep in mind if you don't have a bank account. Overall, Paysafe Card is a great option for people who want a safe and secure way to make online purchases. It's also a convenient way to pay for things online and keep your financial information private. If you have any questions about Paysafe Card, please leave a comment below. I'll be happy to answer them. Thanks for watching. I hope this video was helpful. If you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more financial tips. I'll see you next time. If you're interested in learning more about Paysafe Card, please visit the following website: https://www.paysafe.com/n. You can also find more information about prepaid cards in general by searching for prepaid cards on Google.